Hey everyone! Welcome to this powerful journey of transforming your financial reality. Today, I'm sharing with you a miracle mantra that has never been introduced on YouTube before. This Sanskrit mantra emits a unique frequency and vibration that attracts abundance and prosperity into your life. Imagine clearing your debts, removing blockages that stand between you and your financial freedom, and boosting your confidence to new heights. This mantra holds the power to make that a reality. All you need to do is chant it 21 times every day. Simple, right? But here's the secret. Don't just limit yourself to chanting it aloud. Make it a practice to mentally chant this mantra whenever you think about your goals or find yourself engaging in negative self-talk. Let every cell in your body soak in the positive vibrations of this mantra. Remember, you receive what you emit. So be ready to welcome the blessings of abundance and success into your life through this powerful practice. Observe how people, opportunities, and circumstances begin to align in your favor. Each sound in this mantra has a specific meaning, which I've added in the description below. In this video, I'll also guide you through the correct pronunciation of each sound. But don't worry too much about the meaning. The magic lies in the repetition and the vibrations you create. As you chant, relax your body and visualize your dream life. Imagine every detail of the abundance you desire. Feel the joy, the freedom, and the security that wealth brings. Now, let's begin. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Close your eyes before you do the actual practice. And here is the mantra on the screen.
Shreem, Kleem, Mahalakshmi, Ananta Thanam, Mama Vasham, Kuru, Kuru, Hum, Phat, Swaha, Om, Shreem, Kleem, Mahalakshmi, Anantathanam, Mama Vasham, Kuru, Kuru, Hum Bhat Swaha.
Feel the energy shift within you, as each repetition brings you closer to your financial goals. This practice is not just about wealth. It's about aligning your energy with the universe, opening yourself up to the infinite possibilities that life has to offer. So stay committed, stay positive, and watch your life transform. Now listen to the chant. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more powerful practices like this one. Until next time, stay blessed and keep chanting Loka Samasta Sukhinu Bhavantu. See you soon.
Om Shreem Kleem Mahalakshmi Anantathanam Mama Vasham Kuru Kuru Hum Bhat Swaha.